Igbo technology, my wonderful people, welcome back to Pop Info News. As we dey talk right now, they say that our brother, our brave brother, wey we dey talk, they say this guy should catalyze the whole world. This thing no start today, but the reason why we can't talk about this thing today, now be say make people know say for this humanity, for this the technology era where we dey, Igbo man brain dey inside. Do you know that this fastest internet you are using today, it was an Igbo man who bring this idea of whole thing. In fact, he built it, not that he bring the other, he own the technology. You know, say anything where black person do, Igbo people know they like they like me, they be saying that them bring and come aside. This our brother where they call Philip, and I say the guy you should catalyze the world. I go play this video, may you listen, may you see that we follow the contribute for this fastest internet where they see today. This our brother Igbo man, he follow contribute to them. You follow contribute to them. Watch the video before we come back and continue.
Philip Emegwali, the genius Igbo mathematical and computer wizard who revolutionized the internet and the computer world. CNN called him the father of the internet. Times called him the unsung hero behind the internet. So you don't know that your brother is behind the internet. If you're an Igbo person, you must share this video. My name is Mazi Udochukwu. If we don't share our story, our enemies will write it. He was born in 1954. He is from Onitsha in Anambra State. During his childhood days, his classmates called him the calculus. He once dropped out of school when his parents become refugees of war and because of finance. He attended University of London, Oregon University, University of Michigan, George Washington University. He once said, "All I really needed to know, I knew during my kindergarten days." He once served as a child, a Biafran soldier. Even though he was a child, he fought during the Biafran War. That is Philip Emegwali. He once had his supercomputer account revoked because he is black, which means he experienced racism. Then he was submitting his proposal remotely because he's black to Los Alamos. One of his best quotes is that the more things change, the more they become the same. That is Philip Emegwali. Times called him the unsung hero behind the internet. Times said that the World Wide Web owes much of its existence to Philip Emegwali. This is Times. And CNN called him the father of internet. His work was rejected for 15 years. His work was mocked as a mistake for more than 5 years. He is called the father of internet. Now, in 1989, he won the Gordon Bells Award, Gordon Bells Prize, which is synonymous to Nobel Prize in computation. Now, let's go to the business of the day. His inventions. Philip Emegwali invented the connection machine, which utilizes 65,000 computers linked parallel to form the fastest computer in the world, the fastest computer on earth. He invented it. His computer can perform 3.1 billion calculations per second. That is Philip Emegwali. His program, he developed a program which solved a 350 years old mathematical problem. He designed an equation that explained how sperm that fertilizes the ovary to produce a child, how sperm move in the body. It was his equation that solved the problem. He developed an equation that solved how the earth crust move, which is how volcanic eruption occurs. So with his invention, you will be able to determine when volcanic eruption will happen in the future. That is Philip Emegwali, the unsung hero of the internet. His hyperbole scheme is used in weather forecast. All this weather you see being forecast in all the news channel is because of Philip Emeagwali. Even though his final calculation was done in an experimental machine belonging to Los Alamos National Laboratory. Los Alamos was the place the first nuclear bomb was developed. That is where he used their calculation, their experimental machine to develop his connection machine. That is Philip Emeagwali. He designed a hyperbole computer which is able to forecast long-term global warming. That is Philip Emeagwali. If Philip Emeagwali is a white Caucasian, they will sing his song like Albert Einstein. He is one of the greatest geniuses of our time. But he's black, he is Igbo. He's an unsung hero. He designed the fastest computer on earth. His connection is used by search engines. Because of Philip Emeagwali, search engines like Bing, Yahoo then was possible. That is Philip Emeagwali. He invented the hyperbole scheme in supercomputing. He is the father of modern day internet. He worked on a project they call a super brain that will replace the internet in the future. That is Philip Emeagwali. His invention solved a lot of issues in the medical world, in the geography, in science, and in physics, in a lot of these things, in weather forecast, in health. That is Philip Emeagwali, the unsung hero of the internet. If he is a white Caucasian or a Jew, they will sing his praises like Albert Einstein. He is a genius with an IQ of more than 150. He is Igbo. He is a genius. The father of CNN called him the father of the internet. Times called him the unsung hero behind the internet. The same time said that the web owes much of its existence to Philip Emeagwali. Bill Clinton once said that he is one of the brightest brain in this modern era. Philip Emeagwali. He won the Gordon Bell Prize, which is synonymous to Nobel Prize in computing in 1989. Philip Emeagwali. We must continue to sing our song. If we don't push our heroes, nobody will push it for us.
Wonderful people, no be every time we dey talk about bandit o, no be every time we dey talk about wetin dey happen for Nigeria. So we still bring wetin we dey do, wetin we don already do. There's a lot of our Igbo brothers today wey be say if they say Nigeria give them opportunity, or they say make they divide the country today, maybe Biafra dey their own. Omo, wetin you go see for Igbo land? Dubai dey nwara. I'm telling you the truth, because Igbos, number one, we like comfort. We like beautiful things. We like innovation. We like to find modern things and bring home. So what you see in Igbo land is what we will call come and look. Igbo man will be confused because what we will do, that's why they are doing everything. I was on call with somebody last time and they told him that, look, America may not come to the Nigeria rescue. And that person was doubting. So let us watch what is playing. So share this video so that other people go see him. Our brother did well. He is the brain behind the fastest internet you are using today. Worldwide, not one place. Worldwide. Share the video.